19 power 20 minus 20 power 19 is divided by 7. 19 by 7. Remainder is 19 divided by 7. Remainder is 5. 5 square is 25. So 5 power 1 leaves a remainder 5. 5 square leaves a remainder 4. 5 cube 4 into 5 20, which is minus 1. Remainder 6, which is minus 1. So 5 power 6 will leave a remainder plus 1. So 5 power 6 whole cube into 5 square is 5 power 20. This is 1 into 4 or 4. 19 power 20 gives a remainder of 4 on division by 7. 20 leaves a remainder 6, which is minus 1. Minus 1 power 19 is minus 1. It's a very simple question. This is going to be 4 minus minus 1, which is 5. Find 19 power 20 divided by 7. 20 power 19 divided by 7. Subtract this from this. We are good to go. Absolutely classic, mechanical, rigorous question, but nothing conceptually tough here. Just put your head down, do the whole thing, you're good to go.